Hello all, in this particular video, we will be demonstrating another device called as Digital IC Tester. So why do we require this Digital IC Tester? Is to check whether the IC is working properly or not, to check individual pins where the IC is working properly or not, or an IC is a good IC or a bad IC, and also to find which particular IC is if we are not knowing the IC number. So now we will be demonstrating how to use this tester. First of all, I'll be showing you the IC. We also call it as an integrated chip. So the chip which you are using here is called as an integrated chip. So it has n number of pins over there. So that particular pins are provided as an input to the tester here. Now the main part is the tester. You can see a small notch like symbol here on the IC. So there is a mark which is present on the IC. So that particular mark, it is somewhat like U-shaped structure. So if you hold this particular IC, there is a small structure at the end corner which you can notice over there. That particular corner is taken and inserted in such a way that the notch comes at the topmost and the plain thing comes at the bottom. So that is how you insert an IC. So after inserting an IC, there is a notch like structure which you should lock. So when you are taking an IC out of the particular slot, it should be open. This particular knot must be open. So when you are placing an IC to test, it must be closed. So after closing the notch, it clearly explains that the IC is ready to test. So we'll consider the first scenario where we do not know the IC number. So if that's the case, first you have to press the abort button which is present over there. Then if you select the auto search, that particular IC number is displayed. Here you can see the number 7408 which is the IC number. Okay. Next, if you want to know that, if you do not know the particular IC number, that is my second case which we explained as of now, that is 7408 is my IC number. My second case which I want to take up is, I know the IC number and I want to find whether my IC is good or not. So in that case, I will press the clear button. After pressing the clear button, I will just type the IC number. Okay. First I will type the IC number. Now I know that it is 7408. I will just type 7408 and I will click the button test. As soon as you click the button test, it shows whether the IC is ready to get executed. Can we use this IC or not? So if that particular IC is not able to use, or if it is a bad IC you mean any pin that has been damaged or it has been disconnected, it shows as bad IC. For example, please watch this. I'll again check this particular IC. The IC number is 7408. Okay, and it represents that it is a bad IC. So overall, this particular device is used to test any ICs which you know or you do not know, but the constraint is the IC must be a digital IC only. You cannot check any analog IC over here. Thank you.